How to hide followers and subscriptions on Instagram. As of now, Instagram does not allow you to completely hide your followers or following subscriptions from everyone. However, there are privacy settings and workarounds you can use to limit who can see your followers or following list. First of all, open the Instagram app on your mobile device and make sure that you are logged into your Instagram account. Now, once you're inside the Instagram app, all you have to do is tap on the profile picture at the bottom right corner of your screen and navigate to the Instagram profile section. Now, once there, tap on the three line at the top right corner of your screen. Scroll down and tap on the account privacy and make sure to toggle on the private account. This is the most effective way to restrict access. Now only your approved followers can see your followers, following list and posts. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.